Today we're going to show you how to install a Philmac Camlock fitting. What tools will you need for the job? Aluminium, Glass or polypropylene Camlock, PTFE thread tape, hose pipe, clamp and a socket wrench.
I'm going to show you how to install a Philmac Camlock. The black Camlock range is made of polyprop material. The yellow coloured range is Glass or glass field nylon. And then we have the aluminium range. Using a T-saddle, make sure you align the end of the pipe with the bar end of the camlock. Using a soft mallet, the tail's been fully inserted into the pipe. It's now just a matter of drawing up the saddle clamp and tightening. Then draw the camlock into the fitting. Tighten the arms. Remove the safety clip and insert into the location provided. Simply it's the reverse process, so remove the retaining clips using your finger pulls. Unlock the arms and withdraw the tail.